Hey art friends, my name's Elise and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be crocheting and doing a ton of other different hobbies. So I just got a bookmark diamond art kit, so let's go make it. So here is the finished bookmark, and I added this cute little gold tassel to match the border on the bookmark, and I love how it turned out. I really love all of the different gradients from the sky and the wings. I just put the bookmark in my book and I love how it's looking. By the way, one of my other favorite hobbies is reading, so if you guys want, let me know down below in the comments if you want me to update you guys on which books I'm reading, but right now I'm reading The Brothers Hawthorne, which is the 4th book in the Inheritance Game series by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. I have a ton of crochet projects going right now, so let me update you on all of my whips. So first, I'm working on making a bunch of turkeys for a commissioned order, and this is due by Thanksgiving, and today is only May 28th, so we're totally fine. But I've been working on making the beaks and the feet and the wattles, and I'm using this pattern. This is Crochet Grove's turkey and peacock pattern, and I'm using the turkey one. And I am really excited to finish all of these turkeys, but right now I only have a couple pieces. Next, I cannot believe that I've been working on this for over a month and I still haven't finished it. I have been working on this bag. This is from the Karen Cloud Cakes yarn. This is a pretty teal color, but I've been working on making this bag for a very long time. I haven't had that much time to work on it, so I only have this much done. And finally, I am working on making a turtle. This is what I have so far, and I'm doing this for my Trying New Yarns video, which should have come out last week or a couple weeks ago. But I'm currently filming that video right now, so this is what I have so far, and I'm also going to be using this mint yarn. So whenever you guys are watching these videos, all you see is my background and everything is pretty clean, but my desk is not clean. So please enjoy me cleaning my desk in this montage. I'm currently working on this crochet bag. I had mentioned it earlier, but I want to finish this today or tomorrow, so let's keep working on it. I just got this embroidery kit and I have never done embroidery before, but I wanted to try to make this because I want to try a bunch of different hobbies, so let's make it. So here's what I have so far of my embroidery, and I feel like I'm making no progress because it is taking a very long time, but I have these mushrooms done and the back looks like this, which I'm sure if any of you guys embroider looks horrible, but this is what I have so far. So I just finished this bag and I just sewed on this button right here, and it's actually kind of iridescent, which I really like because it goes super well with this yarn. But right now I'm using it to store different parts of my turkey. So I have a bunch of beaks, wattles, and feet in here, and this is going to be really helpful for organizing all my stuff. So here is what I have done on the embroidery, and I've been working on these leaves and it's been taking me a really long time because of the pattern of the stitch, but I really like how it's turning out. So I wanted to try out some new yarns I got. This is Loops and Threads Cuddle Craft Tube, and this is, I think, pretty similar to the Woobles type yarn, but it's just a Loops and Threads version. So I have these two colors, and I was thinking I could make a baby octopus with this, and if I like it, maybe I could make a giraffe or something else to go with these colors. So I'm going to be using All From Jade's Squishy Baby Octopus pattern, and I'm going to be using this yellow color, and I'll see if I like this yarn. So here's what I have so far, and this is a much sturdier yarn, and it's a little bit more difficult to work with than the Woobles yarn, and it also does leave a big amount of holes around here because it's not like as fuzzy or anything, so whenever you make your stitches, it makes tiny holes, which I don't love, but it is a nice yarn to work with. So I really don't like how this is turning out. It's already this rounded and we're only at a 4 single crochet increase round, and I've just been going in order to make a perfect circle, and it's already this rounded and it should just be more flat, and I just don't like working with this yarn, so I don't recommend this yarn, and I would just pay a couple extra dollars to get a much better yarn. I'm going to call the video here, but thank you so much for watching this video and coming along with me to crochet and try out a new yarn. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!